Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Natalia and today we're doing a soft glam makeup tutorial. I love to have fun with makeup. It's one of my favorite things to do right now, and I just like being able to dress it up or dress it down, be able to go out for the day or to go out at night. And I think a soft glam look is perfect for any occasion, and we should all know how to do that. I've been struggling with it just a little bit, just because I think what really pulls off a soft glam look is the neutral lip, and I didn't really have anything that was right for that, but I found one. As you can see, I think it looks really pretty, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Let's get started. Hello everyone, as you can see I have a clean face, and I've also put on sunscreen, eye cream, and moisturizer, all those types of skincare things that you should do before you start with your regular makeup for the day. Now I'm going to zoom you in and we're going to start with our primer. I really like the Poreless Putty Primer. I pretty much use it as my primer for everything right now, and you'll see it time and time again. Now I'm going to use the Anastasia Luminous Foundation. I tend to do about 3 squirts. It's the perfect amount for me. And I use the Real Techniques Beauty Blender. Alrighty, so that's our blank canvas. Now I'm using the Jeffree Star Magic Star Concealer, and I have C2. I really like how this applicator has a small hole in it, so it carries a lot of product, but sometimes it's a little too much. Okay, I look really pale right now, but I promise it's going to get better. I'm going to use the Jeffree Star Translucent Setting Powder, and we're just going to keep on going. I prefer using a brush versus the sponge. That's just me. Alrighty, that was dusty. Now I'm going to go into the e.l.f. Contour Palette. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this color right here, and I'm going to use it as a bronzer. Now I'm going to take this small brush and use the same color. Then I'm going to also take the darker shade right here and use that for contouring around the nose, and then I'm going to do the cheeks as well. And then I'm taking this brush as my contour. I know I look a little wonky right now. I promise it's gonna get better. I'm using this brush as a buffing brush to blend all those browns together a bit. Blend them into the foundation. Alrighty, so we got some color in there. You can see the cheekbones, all that good stuff. How do I look? Okay, let me go ahead and do the brows. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and do my brows. I just recently got the Ultra Precise Brow Pencil from e.l.f. Now I'm going to see how I do with this. Alrighty, how do they look? I'm not the greatest at my brows. I'm trying. So hopefully let me know what you think. While this is very light and natural for a very soft glam look, I do want to add a little bit more to the eyes to make them stand out a little. So I'm going to go into the e.l.f. eyeshadow palette and use a couple of these neutrals, the Shade and Supreme colors in this palette. And I'm going in really, really softly with it because I don't want to use too much color. And now with my finger, I'm going to go in with Pave for that inner corner right here, as well as using this brush. Alrighty, see, it just gives that really nice glow to the inner part of the eye. Alrighty, so now I'm going to take this brush right here and use more of that color Pave to do the inner part right here. I'm also going to lighten it up with a highlighter as well in that area just to give it a little pizzazz. But first we'll do the Pave. Now I'm going to take this brush and mix it between the two darker colors that I use, Supreme and Shade, to do my lower lash line. Then I'm going to take my little blending brush and just I am just going to finish off the eye with a little bit of mascara, and I'm going to use this the Rodile Glamo Lash Mascara, the extra extra large from the Laura Beauty Box in March. I actually really like this one because it's very subtle but very glamorous. Alrighty, look at those. They're gorgeous. I love them. Okay, now we're going on to the blush, and I'm using my Morphe palette here. I love the color Free, and I'm gonna go with that today. I like putting a little bit of blush in the eyes because it just blends everything together and it looks really nice. Alrighty, so the next thing on my list is going to be the highlighters, and I'm going to use just a tiny bit of Ice Cold, and mainly I'm going to use the Canary Bling. I really like the golds in it, and just kind of, it warms the face a little. So first I'm going to get that Ice Cold, and I'm just going to put it just a tiny bit right at the center of that eye, just to brighten it up just a little bit, and then just a tad under the brow. I'm just going to take the buffing brush and I'm just going to get rid of all the excess from the highlighter and the shadows, all that good stuff. And then I'm going to go in, and now I'm going to go in with Canary Bling. Look at that glow. It's perfect with the sun coming in right there. Alrighty, so there's the highlighters. So pretty. I love how much they glow. I'm like, the highlighters are my favorite thing. Alrighty, now I'm going to start with the lips. And I'm going to use this, I'm going to use this lip liner from Rimmel London. I'm horrible with names. Hopefully I'm saying that right. And it's called Exaggerate. I'm just taking the lip liner all across the lip. Last but not least, I'm going to use the Floss Lip Gloss in Lax. Alright, so that's the end. I really like this lip. I love this color. The Floss Lip Gloss is a beautiful color and it's perfect. I've been having a hard time finding a nice nude or light color for my lips, and I think this is just perfect. It gives it the entire look a really soft glam look instead of more of a dramatic look with the lipstick that I really like, the dark lips. It just makes everything more dramatic, and this gives it a really nice soft glam look with the natural nude lip. Alrighty everybody, here's the zoomed out version. I hope you like it. I know I do. I love the nice soft nude lip, and the just the entire look is just really soft and pretty, and I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to get more content from me. I love doing these videos so much, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!